7% fewer homes came on the market this report, and new contracts were down. It's Friday, July 31st, 2026. I'm Kimberly Barton, broker owner of Kinetic Realty, your go-to real estate resource in Maryland. This is the weekly Maryland Market Minute. Homes are selling in 17 days at 100% list to sold ratio. The Baltimore metro area saw an 11.3% decrease in buyer activity year over year, and new contracts also fell 1.4% from last year. The suburban market area experienced a decrease of 8%, and new contracts dropped 4% year over year. The mountain region buyer activity is also off 22%, and new contracts also are down 8% year over year. Southern Maryland buyer activity is up 3.4%, but new contracts fell 7.1% year over year. Active rentals rose again this week to 3,505 properties, with the median list price at $2,650 per month. And over the past week, it's taking a median of 26 days for a rental property to go to lease. Are you curious about housing values in your area? Give me a call and let's talk. That's your wrap for this week's Maryland Market Minute for Friday, July 31st, 2026. Thanks so much for tuning in. Enjoy your weekend. I'll see you the week after next. Take care.